Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis. The upcoming Aero India Show 2021 is scheduled from 3rd to 5th of February and the entire world is eyeing on the MMRCA 2.0 deal. From US, Russia, France and to other European nations, every country will showcase their best fighters and offers to lure Indian defense market. But what is good for India? Which fighter are most probable contender to this race? How big this deal is going to be? In today's discussion, we are going to address all the above questions. Now recently, the cabinet committee led by PM Narendra Modi has cleared the deal worth 50,000 crores for 83 LCA Tejas MK1 fighters. These fighters will replace the 4 squadrons of aging MiG-21 fleets. MMRC 2.0 on the other hand will be floated considering the Indian Air Force requirement of 114 multi-role fighter aircrafts of 4.5th generation. The expected cost of this deal is rupees 1.3 lakhs crore. Now you can imagine how big this deal is going to be and why every country is eyeing to tap into this opportunity. The Indian Air Force has already issued a request for information RFI for the MMRC 2.0 tender and would soon move a proposal for the acceptance of necessity before Defense Ministry. Now many international jet manufacturers from US, Russia, France and Sweden had proposed to this with their offers. Recently, US government has cleared the export of F-15 Strike Eagle fighters to India along with F-18, Super Hornet and F-21 fighters. While Boeing has hinted on manufacturing of its jet in India under Atmanirbhar Bharat program, however, the American manufacturers might not agree on the complete transfer of technology, which is another major aspect that India is looking into. Talking about F-15 Strike Eagle, it is definitely a battle-proven fighter, but with this, India will have to buy its weapon packages, logistics and support, and training for its pilots from US. Now, this is going to increase the cost by many folds. And therefore, in my opinion, F-15 Strike Eagle might not be an option that Indian Air Force will be looking into. Now let's review the offering from Russia. While Russia has to offer Su-57, latest MiG fighters and Su-35, the fighter jets close to Indian Air Force requirement is Su-35. It's because it is based on the same flanker platform where Su-30 MKI is being manufactured in India, which means India will not have to set up logistics and support along with training of its pilots. Indian Air Force might consider this offering, and in my opinion, Su-35 have good chances in MMRCA 2.0. Now let's talk about Sweden's Saab Gripen. This fighter is very similar in design and capability with Tejas fighters. No doubt it's an impressive fighter, but its components are developed by many countries, which makes it not suitable for India because to ensure the supply and maintenance of this fighter, India will have to maintain good relations with all the countries involved in the manufacturing of Saab Gripen's component. The last and the most important contender in this list is Rafale. You all might know about Dassault's Rafale, as India has ordered 36 of them, out of which 11 is already delivered. Now these fighters are most potent and battle proven in their category. India has already paid heavy amount in training of fighters and pilots and for its weapon packages. If India has to procure more Rafales, it's going to be cheaper. France has also agreed for 70% of transfer of technology and setting up its manufacturing center in India if the order goes beyond 100. Now that we have seen all the major offerings, the best one in my opinion is Rafale. Indian Air Force Chief has also hinted on procuring 36 more Rafales, which will give enough firepower to our Air Force. For the remaining fighter jets, India will focus on indigenously developed fighters Orca, omni-role combat aircraft. This was completely my opinion. Please let us know what do you think about MMRCA 2.0 tender. Which fighter has a better chance of winning this deal? This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.